Hey lovely YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to drape one of your favorite saree as a dress. There are so many sarees in our mom's wardrobe which we would rather want to wear as dress, not as saree. So here is one of my favorite saree from my mom's wardrobe with one of my absolutely favorite saree draping style as dress. I wanted to share with you guys. But before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and also press that bell button right next to the subscribe button. So yeah, let's get started. Tie a knot with the two top ends of the saree neatly so that it looks like a bow. Here I am showing you only with rope, but when you style this, wear a tube top also underneath with rope, or wear a petticoat or anything else that you feel comfortable with. Arrange the pleats properly both in the front and back side. I prefer to overlap the sides and pin them like this. I'm showing you a closer look so that you can see how I keep my left bra strap on and right bra strap off, that I could tuck my left shoulder saree from front and back both sides in the bra strap to look it more neat and clean. So guys, let me know in the comment box below if you love this video, and also give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to stalk me on my other social medias, the links are in the description box below. See you in my next video. Till then, do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.